In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish events and calendars in Google Calendar. Navigating through Google Calendar to share events or entire calendars with friends, family, or colleagues can sometimes be a bit daunting, but it becomes much easier when you know where to click. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, let's start with publishing an individual event. Begin by opening your Google Calendar and locate the specific event you wish to share. Click on that event to open up its details. You'll notice a pop-up window appearing with all the event information. Towards the top right corner of this pop-up, you'll see the familiar 3 vertical dots icon, often referred to as More Options. Go ahead and click on those dots. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several choices. Among these options, you'll find Publish Event. Select this, and in doing so, Google Calendar will generate a shareable link specifically for this event. You can now copy this link and share it with others through email, messaging apps, or however you prefer. Now that we've covered how to make a single event shareable, let's move on to sharing an entire calendar. This is particularly useful if you want to coordinate schedules with a team or keep your family in the loop about the latest happenings. Start by going to the top right of your Google Calendar page, where you'll see the Settings icon. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side menu where you'll find Settings for My Calendars. Click on the name of the calendar you want to publish. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to the settings for that specific calendar. Here, you'll want to focus on the section titled Access Permissions for Events. To make your calendar public and accessible, check the box next to Make Available to Public. Be mindful, however, that checking this box makes your calendar visible to anyone with the link, so make sure this is what you intend to do. Once you have checked the box, the next step is to get the shareable link for this calendar. Simply click on Get Shareable Link and Google Calendar will provide you with a URL. Don't forget to click Copy Link to save it to your clipboard, ready to be shared with whoever needs access. And that's it. You have now successfully published either individual events or whole calendars using Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a party or managing a project, being able to easily share your calendar helps keep everyone on the same page. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident in using Google Calendar for all your scheduling needs. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.